You know, the team without the fans, without the supporters, there's no team. Okay, thank you again.
Northeast is improving, to create new players in Assam, in Guwahati, for example, and in Spain. Okay, we have many academies, from since last few years ago, and I think year by year, Northeast will improve.
First team is concerned, obviously, whenever any team is building a team, it's obviously to win the championship, right? So we cannot be any different from that. We'll be participating in 3 competitions, which starts with the Durand Cup. We have our first game on the 30th of July. So obviously it starts with trying to win all the 3 competitions. That's what we aim for. I don't think any team in the Indian football system would want to go into a competition not to want to win. So we are no different. We want to win, and that's our main goal. Try to win as many matches, as many titles that we can.